Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Pisces, water sign. This is weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Pisces, water sign. Messages for Pisces, water sign. Under the deck, 9 of Cups, Queen of Wands and Page of Cups, King of Wands. I think you both have a lot of passion towards each other. The person involved in this connection could be fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. There is some text and communication is coming, Pisces, because Page of Cups is here. And children's also involved in this connection for some. And your wishes are going to be granted, 9 of Cups. Wish fulfillment. In near future, definitely your wishes are going to be granted. But at the same time, you are working on yourself. You are taking your control back. So let's see your reading. Recent past, 8 of Pentacles, 6 of Wands and the World card. I think you are concentrating on your career and you are working hard to achieve your goals. And you get success also because you are getting recognition for your hard work because 6 of Wands energy. And in relationship wise, there are some cycles ending between you and your person. For some, you both are in long distance relationship, but you're more concentrating on your career right now. Then present 4 of Swords, 10 of Swords and 9 of Wands. For some, you both are in no contact situation, but you're still thinking about them. Even though you are not talking with your person, you're still thinking about them. You still want rebirth. And for some, you are fed up with this relationship. You tired and your energy is totally drained. Maybe you want to give up on this connection because 9 of Wands. Right now you are guarded up, but you're still thinking about them. And future, the Chariot, Knight of Cups and the Moon. Yeah, you decided to move on. And Knight of Cups with the Moon. I think someone is coming. For some, it could be a brand new person and they want to offer their cup of love to you. For some, it could be a past person, depending upon your situation. But in your relationship, there are some illusions. There are some trust issues between you and your person. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Especially could be Cancer and Pisces, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So Pisces, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, Page of Swords, Ace of Cups and the Magician and 6 of Wands. I think they are spying on you on social media. For some, you will receive text or a message from your person and they do love you. Yes. For some, maybe they are not expressing, they are not showing, but they do love you. And for some, they are doing manifesting techniques, maybe to manifest you back. So let's see their current feelings and intentions towards you. Their current feelings towards you, Pisces. Wow, 8 of Wands, 10 of Pentacles, Page of Cups. Communication. For sure, you will receive communication from your person and in your future, they are planning to communicate with you, Pisces. Lots of communication is coming. If they did hurt you in past, they want to say apology to you. Children's also involved in this connection. For some, maybe one person is already married. 10 of Pentacles, they want marriage with you and they want happy family with you. Yes, communication is coming. For some, your person is a player. I think is a player. For some, you both have age differences between you and your person. So let's see their intentions. Yeah, Five of Pentacles. Seven of Cups. The Lovers. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini. Yeah, they are not expressing their feelings to you, but they do love you. Five of Pentacles, they are suffering in silence. Maybe they're confused right now. For some, your person have options, but they do love you because the Lovers card is here, and Ten of Pentacles. Yeah. So maybe they in past they neglected you, but now they're realizing your worth. Yes, your person is confused. They are at some crossroads. Yeah, they did hurt you in past. Now they wanna say apology to you. Definitely there is communication is coming. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Yeah, lot of passion. They're very, very passionate about you. They still want rebirth in this connection. I think they're missing you so much, but still passion is there. Yes, it's a mutual love. Two of Cups is here, and they want brand new beginnings with you. Yes, they're very, very passionate towards you. They want to communicate with you. But for some, it will take some time because right now your person is confused because Five of Pentacles with Seven of Cups. And two, yes, it's a mutual love and it's a soulmate connection. You are also obsessed with your person, and the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn. And children's involved in this connection, you want reconciliation. For some, you also want your person back if you are in separation. If you're not in separation, you want to take this relationship to next level. Mutual. Queen of Swords with, I think maybe yes, you do love this person, but maybe they treated you as an option in past. That's why you are setting boundaries. One person taking their control back due to past hurts. Now you are very stubborn. Definitely one person is stubborn in this connection right now, but they still want you back. They're still passionate towards you. They want rebirth. Then it's up to you because I think right now you're both missing each other a lot because the mutual card, Nine of Swords energy. Definitely separation right now, no contact situation. So in near future, it depends on your situation. Definitely there is communication is coming. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Pisces. Text is coming. Player. Reconciliation. I have too much going on my life. Don't leave me behind. Long distance relationship. So the messages are long distance relationship. Text is coming. Player. Reconciliation. I have too much going on my life. Don't leave me behind. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Your hard work is paying off. New moon in Capricorn energy. So if you're doing hard work consistently for your goals, definitely your hard work will pay off. For some, definitely right now you are getting your results. If not, definitely you will get results very soon. Let's see another message. Adjustments are required, third quarter moon. So for some, if there will be reconciliation in near future, then also there are some adjustments are required. Yes, you have to be adjust. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.